In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split images for an Instagram grid using Canva. Whether you're looking to create a cohesive aesthetic for your profile or simply want to have a bit of fun with your posts, learning how to divide images seamlessly can transform your Instagram feed. And don't worry, this process is simpler than it sounds. Today, we'll walk through it together step by step. To begin, open Canva and navigate to the home page. Once you're there, start by clicking on the Apps button. This feature is incredibly handy as Canva hosts a variety of tools that can enhance your design experience. After clicking Apps, you'll next want to type Image Splitter into the search bar. This tool is specifically designed for those, like you, who want to make an impact with split images. Once you've typed in Image Splitter, go ahead and click on it when it appears in the list of suggestions. This tool effectively allows you to divide an image into several parts, which you can then upload to Instagram as separate posts that flow into one cohesive grid view. After accessing the image splitter, you'll see a Choose File option. Click on it to pick the image you'd like to transform into a grid. Be sure you have your desired image saved in an easily accessible location on your device, as this will save you time and make the process smoother. With your image selected, proceed by clicking on Split Image. This action will initiate the splitting process. You'll see on the screen how the tool separates your image into sections. Traditionally, Instagram grids are 2x2 or 3x3, but you can customize this to fit your creative vision. The split image tool is quite flexible, allowing you to adjust the settings for both vertical and horizontal splits to create an array that best suits your needs. Once your image is split to your liking, the next step is to click Add Images to New Pages. This feature transfers each divided section onto separate Canva pages, ready for any additional adjustments you might want to make. And there you have it. Your image is now perfectly divided, prepared to be downloaded and uploaded to Instagram. Posting them in the correct order will ensure they align beautifully on your feed. Remember, this process allows you to experiment with your Instagram layout, providing an engaging visual experience for your followers. I hope you found this quick tutorial helpful. If you did, feel free to experiment and bring your unique style to life on Instagram using Canva. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing.